a street-legal dual sport that's tough, reliable, and still feels like a blast on the trails? The 2026 Suzuki DR-Z400S might just be your perfect ride. Let's break down why this classic just keeps getting better. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring you fresh takes on the latest motorcycles, cars, and everything in between. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Suzuki DR-Z400S. Suzuki's tried-and-true dual sport that's still turning heads and conquering terrain over 2 decades after its debut. Design: the 2026 DR-Z400S sticks to its rugged roots, with sharp, minimalist bodywork and bold new colorways. It's still unmistakably DR-Z, lean, purposeful, and ready to get dirty. With its high fenders, narrow profile, and compact seat, the design favors utility, but the updated graphics add just enough edge to keep it fresh. Performance: powered by a 398 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, the DR-Z400S delivers reliable torque across the rev range. It's not the fastest out there, but its 5-speed transmission and smooth power band give it enough punch for both city commutes and mountain climbs. The suspension, fully adjustable front and rear, soaks up rocks, roots, and potholes without breaking a sweat. Features and tech: the 2026 model stays true to its minimalist spirit, but gets a few welcome updates. A new LCD display offers better visibility, and the LED lighting improves both style and safety. It's still carbureted, yes, really, but that simplicity is part of its charm. Less tech, more adventure. Conclusion: the Suzuki DR-Z400S isn't flashy, but it's a proven workhorse with just enough updates to stay relevant in 2026. If you're looking for a bike that can do it all, without trying to do too much, this is your ride. Love bikes like this? Hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest motorcycle insights. See you on the next ride.